Hello YouTube, back here again for my 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Just wanted to show this video here for an exhaust install. I went ahead and purchased the MRT exhaust system. It's supposed to be similar to a Corsa or Borla, and it's about $400, $500 cheaper. Comes with everything that you need. It's a bolt-on do-it-yourself kit. Wanted to review the quality of this so far here. I got everything off the Jeep right now, getting ready to install this. These flanges are perfect. They match exactly with the Jeep right now. Comes with an H pipe, so it's going to give it a nice sporty deeper tone than an X pipe. I think it's going to fit the Cherokee a lot better. Comes down to some pass-through mufflers out to some quad tips. Welds on here are pretty nice, pretty decent. They're okay. We'll see how it looks with the quad tips on there, but comes with everything you need. So I'll install this here and do a video on startup, tighten everything back up on a warm-up period, and do a full in-depth video on it. So all right, here is the quad tips installed. I've adjusted them. Everything like that is all set, ready to go. In order to adjust the tips where you want them, everything like that, it's all adjusting, loosening, positioning, and then retightening really hard on these clamps here. Everything's good to go, fits in the factory brackets, the mounts, everything. Moving under the vehicle, everything bolts up. That is a factory fit-in style H pipe. It's not coming undone now that's bolted together. Looking good.